How to check in baggage online on AirAsia. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to check in baggage online on AirAsia. First, you need to open the AirAsia app. You see there is no such direct option available here. So tap on Chat from the bottom. Then select Ask Bo. Wait for the bot to start the conversation. From here, tap on Select below Travel. Then select AirAsia Flights. Now tap on this right arrow until you reach Add-ons. Here select Baggage. From these options, tap on Purchase Checked Baggage. Now add your booking number or PNR so they can help you in adding baggage to your booking. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.